Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to do the X closure for the ear warmer here. It's different from the twisted ear warmer. This is the closure for the X. So I do have my ear warmer here. So you're basically going to need a tapestry needle. We are going to thread our end. You want good side facing towards you. And you're going to make a C on both ends. Just like so. Normally you would put them, equal like this for the twisted ear warmer, but you're actually just going to go halves. So you can see there is a gap here and a gap here. So we just went halves. And with your tapestry needle here, we are just going to go just this. So we're going to go in through just the top loops, making sure you're going through all 4 layers. Oops, sorry. Okay, so now that we just have that middle section, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn our ear warmer. And you can see that these are kind of buckling, which is great. We actually want them to lie face down, facing each other, just like this. And we're going to go in and out, back and forth. So I'm just going to go through this side here. I'm going to go to the other side. I'm just going to continue going back and forth. Just closing up that middle section. And then I'm just going to go right down the middle here, all the way to the other side. And I'm going to use the other end from my beginning, and I'm just going to tie it. And then I'm just going to weave in my ends. Okay, so that's what the back should look like. If we flip it inside or right side in, you have the X closure.